it's a channel of a channel on the screens. And yeah, man, it's another day, it's another comfort zone. Divide up with the real on flash. Khadmaniaka. Tira muzotera grand thousands is a grand kabalani lebongwana tawu busy lona pekazi zonke zokhomani. Kwakhe nje zakho.
Ngiyakuzenda ngami ngise.
Athi sibambe manje.
Mina ngithulani vele fandowani yabo.
Sho khomani.
Yeah, ngoba lapha lokushini and futhi ikhaso na my dog. Yabo. So yeah, into busy yapha lokushini nandanga mina ngimahlalela kahle. Just kidding nje ama nikusendi sabanjiwe la iskela for ukuthi okay asho ngibe busy into edibene sport kanje as a assistant. Now as you can see kubana kuyaqashwa ngoya Fustana but kodwa ngiyazi ke contract yala. Nabo. So yeah.
Contract people ifanga team Pretoria primary ko siphi scale?
No, wabe Fanka team high school abantu abesikela lokho abancane primary zizini amadoda.
La mpata primary but ngilisa pusheka ta akufana nokungabina needs.
Yeah, wena ndangami nje ukuthi ba like for me mina it's not about ukuthi bana let's say ukuthi bana okay yeah it's about imali eqhubeleni yabo.
Yeah.
Because we imali vele sayidinga but for me ndanga I'm a huge thing apha ekhaya. Nabo kahle kwintwana kubantwana nandibama kanjani. So as for me mina nje bandipha mde to revive. Yeah, to revive sport. No. So that's the main thing kahle for me. Did you good noba ukuthi okay yaphela le contract at 6 months and then there's something vele khona imehluko vele endwenzileyo andibama kanjani.
Okay. So wena khona umzela ngiwe libele but then funa siyedwele kuyo too much because besike sarenga ngayapha nanotagaza nenyiputera kulapho ngiport in terms of art ne contract yakho tayizokubhayina ngoba 30 years ezininzi but asizoba personal asizungena phakathi esigela but ngobona kwakho nesensiphise lenyanga at least art ngokuyapusheka omis abantu around bayisupport khona into ebonakalayo
like ndangami like mandithi kahle isigela ndanga besidinga someone yabo.
Okay.
Ozobabonisa ukuthi kusele welini ivaya kanjani. Now and phinde ngicabanga nje ukuthi bana lokho omis baphafa ukuthi bana bafundisa abantwana not engenye kakhulu then sport you understand ukuthi bana they are not too much kwinto edibene nesport kanje yabo. So for me being there and sharing ideas you understand mina can say ukuthi intanga uzopusheka kuba okay yasho siqale ngesikhathi se-exam because thema singena manje kube kubhala exam but there are ideas and share and they are approved you understand ezinye so there are also other ideas vele ezizayo wena ndangami yabo no ideas from me to eskela and for example khona ne idea andifuna ungena deep kuyo ya Fustana wena nje yami but khona vele nye idea vele benike ndaza nayo so ndithi ubani principal ya approve even nethizane nazo za approve which for me like I felt ukuthi bana vele like iskela I needed that person ozoza nento you understand so an inside person so more outside abafane bakuthathele you understand nje so I'm inside so I came with an idea and I'm there ukuthi bana mandi lawize you understand nje yami sure
but and I've read also to young at least there's something in the guy but because nathi kudala sizama thina ba outside yabo uyayazi msafika sipush i-acting so nami ndayibona wethethayo baxo ngaphandle ama nabathenda ukumamela kakhulu so at least wena xa khona ngaphakathi andithembile ta but at least uzoba khona iprogress
noma
khona at least uchinjo
manzama ulungisa so nje I mean it's not about ukuthi bana abafuna umamela ne
sure
because when I spoke about it lo nto le to them mina bazamile ungicacisela you understand to a point of ukuthi bana asinokwazi thulane ukunika abantwana bethu ube umuntu angaphandle
okay
so ndithi bana i-safety yabantwana besigela kubo it's the first prior
but ndifunde phara from grade 1 to grade 12 ngicela ukanithembi nango
no ndithi ukuthi njami it's like abantu bayatshintsha my dog yabo and njengoba abantu betshintsha so ndithi bana like ne-generation iyatshintsha you understand so the thing is ukuthi bana isigela like abakwazi uthemba umuntu from outside at least xa inside yabo so kubo into enzakalayo kubo first prior impilo yabantwana so lo muntu simnika abantwana impilo zabantwana zoba safe na you understand so because eqhubeleni bafuneka baphendulele bazaleni bani imnike njani uthulana abantwana engumuntu wangaphandle yanibamba
Peter ndakuva daba ngongenza sense ngokuqaleni ibingeza sense kumbuzo oko inganhlali grand but ngonjengoba explain so yenza sense big time to iqaba siqale grand Peter mangita nani makudera pha back lezekele new way unnecessary anoma senisuku uchayisana lo way ukuzibona ezawuyita apha ka pep next customer please tell no enzile no lando bra
Tell him right.
Yeah.
Or come like kubizwa umuntu olandelayo.
Ngojo. Nasevekini ndindedwe la yini. Next customer
Yeah,
please.
man.
Konqena nokho. Tell one. Ndindedwe la yini bra. Now can you better. Can you spray two? But still next customer please. Everyone who acts like a grand. Yeah. Supposed to change la sister because they are probably boniwe unnecessary. Yeah. Konqena.
khona umshini tata sipesa umshini
Sponsor, mthomba sebenzela umshini.
ya sponsor abama
Sponsor ke.
yabo
Ngoba lo.
Next customer please. Tell undondoni. But budera abanani batazi daniwe sisiponsor ke nomshini ngiwaphaka phepha. Kunenyuweni nakuchayisana naye namhlanje ta and nanobuzi nawo uzoba aware. Yabo but because iqale politics enkomde kangako ta. Ngitapenejize bezoyicana. Ngiva khona uyepha ta. Ngoku
Amen.
iwe ba South Africa andani boso ichayisile lo ba igama la bafuna uchange ba mayiva ibe yi the Republic of Azania. So la way leya bayazamile ucacisa ngalendlela becacise ngayo and ikhona ne video ezokufakela tayo zamidlala pha yabo uba andiyazi le way le igama ba South Africa iwe yazanabantu ba apartheid andiyazi nonke lo bayizamile ucacisa ngayo so andiyazi noba dawo niboni way smart le ba from siqale kule yaba igama le South Africa elisikhule sizalo likhona lichintshe nje njalo ingayiwe yegrand le
yabona for me mfethu just like mina ndafana nawe ngikho kakhulu kwinto edibene nepolitiki yabo but nje ukuthi babona bayibona into right nje who am I to say bana na stand my talk so hence I'm saying noba into kanjalo ndangami noba singazama ukudispute lo way leyo na understand bona bathi ukuthi bana abantu ivoice yabo nje ukuthi bana lingatshintshelwa gama exhomeke ebantwini mos but ukubabona bayavuma ukuthi okay yasho like la gama bona bal feeling right okay bona bagrand of which like bahleli indawo bayincokola
so umposisikelela uzojika i-art izojika so lilonke siqala from scratch siqala ka-angu
into ezinjalo wena mfowethu ukuba vele into vele standard le sorry into standard leyo yabo kusho ukuthi bana ininzi into efuneka ijikiwe so asazi ndango ukuthi bani bazayisponsor kanjani bona
for city students in case lithini natazi ngewe kanje
Ayizujika.
like wena uyibona as if ngathi mayijike lewe kanje
Andiboni ba ingajika la, ayizujika. Xa ke nyinto nomalema naye, ngathi ngenavi akhosha ngento yojika. Ba South means South ezantsi Africa, like abona Africa, yela South Africa, vele South Africa party. And then I think
okay
igama
gama
just according to Africa, yona South Africa, koni North Africa. Yabo. So
Southern Africa.
So South, North, yebo.
I think they call it Southern Africa ilaweza lamazwe la lapha eSouth
Northern, the Southern.
yeah
But you ubamba kanjani?
hayi sona ta andiyazi mina bingaske ingacinga nocingo lo wele because of izobona complication ezininzi but xa beyithethelela bathi bafuna ukukhupha ne-foreigners abantu bangaphandle because ngoku i-IT uzokwazi uyenza like ilonke kuqala uqaleni
Ni-IT zethu
ne-IT funeka utshintshe like yonke ebisenzeka ngayo tata kuzoba tough
long walk bafowethu so yeah there right hayi le madoda hayi yepolitics bafowethu yona long walk kahle yabo seyinto ende because nawe simba uhlela lapha yabo yabala ukuthi bani ID nendondoni kusho ukuthi izininzi zoyintanga nezinyo kanye nongazaziyo abanye abazaziyo
esifuneka sithethiwe phezulu
yambama nje yami
butera kubona dixi yethu walo bethele uyekho
no namfowethu yabona mina I'm all about ilawizi lokishi ndanga yabo
i-brand nathi
yenza msaying ukuthi bana wena yenza msaying wena ntangami ukuthi bana lokishi ne yabona ilokishi
jota
obvious bakhona abantu abashaya ilaweza i-brand nabo bakhona abantu abashaya ilaweza I think years back oda Kenneth nabashaya i-brand yabo ye-Phantom nabo I did nami ndathenga I think iskipa la nabo then abakhona o store babethingisa nabo le 6875 ndanga for me is to support you understand just like ulethuthi ke utisetho naye nguye ke umjida wale brand khona ukuthi bathi utisetho apha uChad yabo so mina I fell in love with the manekusekhomba uphusha yabo so yatholakala kuye ngo 150 wena nje yami gaps yakhona yabo kumjika
Bashaya ngazo bangazibahamba pha.
ya kumjika la uthi setho different colors and stuff wena ntangami yabo so mna I supported I think uthengisa ne cups and stuff yabo
So going to supportation akazi ta. Hey, ninzo esizarenga na makhotmana apha. And the ideas kangazivele encane ezinaba grants ubala kapha ekazi. Singaba stable njani manje maphinde fe revive ke. Idix bela ndlela yayiyo. Because kaphe nasebaleni ngokuyata kwapha kuwoni ngoku. Hayi. Akusekho ngalandlela.
yabona masiyebaleni nje yami ne mna masiyebaleni ne ibala wena ntangami yabona ukuthi bana amajida lapha ekazi abana stendi ukuthi bana vele ninginqola sometimes abayibala lapha lokushini lengabuya mhla kwabakhona i team edlala ke region ke ngu SAB currently bambiza Hollywood yabo so yabona ngathi ngafumana i team edlala ku region currently like umzekelo next season yaqala mo season yabo once ngafumana i team enofumana i promotion yeke region ntangandi shobana ibala ngabakhona because i region izobuza ukuthi kahle kahle le team wayezodlala home games ayo Worcester so of which like makuthi i region nje yami and itmoso LFA ibhola ngu LFA yabo PV LFA Predeville masipala lo then i regional be ngiCape Island of which like uCape Island ntanga ngumother board we Predeville Overberg Witzenberg you understand nje so umama vele ofitayo ngoba masipala wa5 ku side lethu ngiCape Island so Cape Island akwazi approacha i Predeville ukuthi intanga neteam edlala ku Cape Island and Cape Island why ningena bala for your home games so let we intanga ibala singalifumana understand then for ezinye izinto ntangami iyandazi like into diwene park nendontona I don't know
Romatini because if yata ngoku because ifaqaphela nawe na in terms of unemployment iphezulu because if kuveli wethile endaweni ethile sonke sigcwele iqaphelena le way lezi assisting ebabuzibonile sizipakishe phatha
ispana asukho kuyo yonke indawo ntangami ne masingathi ne-territorians cha kuyo yonke indawo ntangaseke ispana so makuvela i-opportunity espan mna I usually say ukuthi bana grab that opportunity you understand then upushe nawo you understand nje yami but uziyazi ukuthi bana maybe kanye le nganifaka engxakini yabona nje yami ispan most yabantu ngoba ngena i-connection espan you understand but then kuya ngokuthi wena uzithemeka kangakanani xa uhamba uyofaka kulo black uyanibamba ukuthi wena uthembe intoni mina usually say ke bantwini bayathandaza ukuba usebenzisa siyeza ukuba usebenzisa zonke you understand then ujonga by lakhe yakho kwelibi side anibamba jonga currently beqashwa eTos River I think abantu abaninzi baqashiwe eTos River
most guys
you understand nje so for me I'm happy for abantu abo because of don't like vele bapusha ispan at the same time umuntu eksepushila umndeni wakhe at the same time uphushela yena you understand like umzekelo kufanele umsebenze plus mfowethu yabo mna usually say kubantu bakhona abantu aba discourage umsebenze plus yabo for me mna personally umsebenze plus now it's something yabo because the reason I'm saying this is because of like kulo msebenze unqabileyo ufumana umsebenze plus uthi awusebenze plus ini uthembe ndoni yabo yeah plus in kunzima njengoba besitsho bona bakunzima but plus in akukho that hard because I'm talking from experience yabo njengoba mawushayina ispan sakho danga sonke ispan sinzima into enzima kuso zonke ispan kuvuka ekseni but during the day like yabona ukuthi okay yasho like uyaqhelana neway
but le plus la nakhala akuse kuvukweni qha yo nami tata from experience last deck yo since plus ngoku yo hata 4 hours okumile apha type sizela na grand le plus athi sizilave ujongisise kahle
no nje yami like umzekelo nje yami ne masithi manje lokanye ngicheese boy na umuntu otsayo ukuthi bana kunzimela wenzene plus ngo cheese boy abantu bakunzime plus yami xa uzazi ba ufuna ndoni xa uzazi ba ufuna ndoni nje yami you understand angeke uthi bana like ba ukunzime plusini you understand because ama plus amaninzi angena 7:30 11:30 12:30 lunch you understand
30 minutes
hour ya lunch lunch yabo then uzophuza kahle ni 3 hours and a half kanye 4 hours uchayisa you understand nje so for me ndakamujani man yabo so kwenzakalayo mfowethu iplus vele ndanga like kunzima eplusini
yeah khona
xa besitsho but more pie inside enikhumbula yonke into wena mfowethu yama ngenhliziyo yabo once no inhliziyo masiqale inhliziyo yabona manzi inhliziyo yake dedication because dedication enye into because ngizothi access dedicated base eplasini no wena bawuzicela ukuthi okay now I'm here
and I'm getting
then you accept ukuthi la like ngoku ndilapha danga yonke into izovaya smooth but if inhliziyo uyayivuma ukuthi bana ndilapha usho ukuthi bani uzoba wena uzoba nengxaki every day la 5 days uzovuke uye emsebenzini eplasini unengxaki wena understand because inhliziyo it's not there
ngiqala kwakuwe because ufiyazazi ba ufuna uvuka erenda kula black re ofinyanta opposite there you adapt okanye yabhoda hayi
ya inhliziyo nje
ngiyena
yazi intanga like bakhona abantu empilweni ne empilweni thanga life general bakhona intanga abantu empilweni abasokolayo hayi not lento yami mina nanga nasokolene understand sokola ngohlobo lwami but uma ndihleli ndijonga abanye abantu abasokola ukudlula mina then I would like hey man andisokoli mani bakhona ntanga abantu abasokolayo uthola ukuthi ba lo muntu ebezabulela kwa isispan okanye kwa le 10 rand endiyiphetheyo andibama nje so hence I'm saying ukuthi bana like once inhliziyo ivume lithi ukuthi yonke into ntanga iyazenzekela because like xa ngenhliziyo uthi okay now I'm here then you accept you understand ukuba ulapha and nalana ukuthi bana ungenzeli ukuthi bana abantu bazawuthini understand mfowethu because that's where the problem is yabona once wenzela ukuthi bana abantu bazawuthini uTafix uzawuthini xa inibona nispani farm kusho ukuthi ulahlekile awusenzele wena
cooking mabaki
yanibama njalo so uzuye singalolani mfowethu so impilo ingalolani kahle kahle impilo random and impilo ndanga yabona ngoku it's either uya accepta lempilo oyiphilayo ngoku okanye ndanga uphila impilo obuxoki andibama njani bra
akubamba yo amiyeke umngani apha nakubamba khona
no ndithi ubana ndanga yabona masiya kulo way ayingwewethu ndanga unela mentality because yeah ayingwewethu now will tell you mna ayingwewethu because I usually have conversation namajita I usually have conversation namameti like plus like because like currently ungaya kweliphi night plus ne abantu basipana la kwela plus wena like basuka phela ukushini ukhwela nabelorini ungafika ukuthi bana wena wazi kuloku 100% wazi ne10% 90% abantu bangaphandle ngabantu abebeze ngesizini you understand because abantu balapha lokushini bazicele ukuthi bona angeke basebenze eplasini ngewinter hence ukuthi bana mina vina fumani hearsay kahle kahle ithi bana even namabhulu ngoku abasabafuna abantu balapha eDurance ngewinter because abantu balapha eDurance abafuna usebenza you understand then you find abantu basuka kwezindawo ngendawo ebebeze ngesizini uthola ukuthi bana like ngaba sipanayo ngewinter you know what makes that it's because mntazazi bawusukaphi yabona empilweni once uzazi ukuthi bawusukaphi uzazi ukuthi bana uphuma kwikhwayile njani uzazi ukuthi bawuyaphi ndanga you will never go wrong empilweni yabo yinto yokuqala funeka uyazi empilweni yabo wena urenga nenhliziyo yakho awuringe nami uyazazi bawusukava uyazazi bawuyaphi yabo mfowethu so yiwe engalulayo
enesinalomeni ibendiyapho nambudela because wena unalanto yoba ndihlala apha mina ngumhlalo lapha ekhaya so yonke way ndideserve uba mani mayenzeke ngale ndlela ndifuna ngayo khona ezibabaza ngaphandle layo bhutela ufika umjita uyazazi ndisuke bunzimeni so lapha ekhaya andizofika ndihlekise ndithini amajita ndihydrants iqala kunathi amajita asho ayiway ezi-unnecessary then thina sojika zizolenda kuye ezifana nantoni nezanaphobia so lenda kuye ezifana neyo-discriminate abantu sosibabiza ngamagama unnecessary leyo mentality leyo wena uza nayo and ndikuva kamandi taba wastini asikhalele ngaphandle vuka ayikho ngenye indlela kuvuka uspana and then ibona enye code namhlanje ethi bana spana ngalijonga ixesha even if uspana kuwe enjani singathi plus singathi lo ndawo uspana kuyo kungaphi na ithi la go to ujonga ixesha nami ndayibona icosha imotivate like because of xa usibona ujonga ixesha uzonqama and uyabonakalisa ubaqwale uyenzayo awukho kuyo so ibani okay uthe dedicated kuzinyazela entwini but njengenhliziyo uvula inhliziyo
Sure.
hayi kubuteri afix ukunikele isite lakho
Yeah, mfowethu.
ubuteri because no ila khona azikazi
No, wena mfowethu.
uthi betha kanje
No, impilo mfowethu. Impilo my dog. Yabo? Like umzekelo ukubonakalisa ukuthi bala mina ngikuzenga ukuthi amakhotman lapha ekhasi ne like wachalla laphana. But you can check ndanga ukuthi bana isikhathi sami esininzi nispenda namajita wapi. Nesikhathi sami esininzi ndani spenda namajita angasongwa lapha ekhasi. There was this other year uyayazi uqwela iBlackpool years back. Yabo? iBlackpool was the only one waseDorrance wayedlala like iBlackpool.
bitimela bekasi
Team yamajita aze ngumsebenzi.
okay
But aphela ingamajita wapi walapha ekhasi. You understand because team kaHata West. No, hey, team kaWest no Kitso benza I don't know na go back ukuthi bana badibana njani in because of tsala. But uWest wena team yakhe uKitso ne team yakhe so ba join league. So babiza igama eli1. You understand? So that team ibingamajita
ngaphandle
angaphandle. Then you find fix umjita walapha. Ndanga from here. Yekubana ukuthi audit lab. Yabo audit lab msasteke I think gqiba 6 years ngisasteke. You understand? Ukulo audit steke ndanga. Mna ngwalapha. Mna I say that all the time. Mna ndangwalapha. So bekhona discrimination that fix wena ndanga usijikele.
usikhabela ngaphandle
Understand? Yabona ndanga abakhona khona ungazufunda khona. Abakhona khona ungazuzuza khona. Abakhona khona ungazukhula khona. Uyasuka la. Yabo? Yabona mna igrowth mina lifumene kulamajita la ngaphandle. Because mawuhleli nawo amajita axela ngempilo yabo ukuthi umjita mina niphuma ekhaya linje. Mina ndazazi into endifunayo. Sometimes akancokoli nawo. Ubona izenzo zakho ukuthi letsotsi manje yenza kanje. Uqoma ukuthi hayi manje kusele letsotsi yana inspire. Uyanibamba njalo. So izinto ezingalulayo amajita lapha ekhasi most yabo abafuna ukukhula. Yabo? Igrowth ayikho apha ekhasi. And njengoba ingeke igrowth apha ekhasi like thina sijonge ukuthi bana ekuse wena uze nantoni etafuleni. Nawo mina ngijonga wena ukuthi okay kwesakho okay yasho wena uphila kanjani and bama nje yami and la uyayispana mfowethu. Yawo? Ayispana la because ngizothi jonga mina ndanga mina ngiphusha enye into wayazi bangiqamelela ngantoni. Yabo? And thina sina la uyapha ekhasi ukugxekana la because you know isuka lapha eseyoku ukuthi bana mina ndazi history yakho ukuthi wena uyintwana yakulokhuzwayo because mina ndiyintwana yakulokhuzwayo and ukhuzwayo currently intoni li ala you understand apha yami so just because ukhuzwayo eli ala so li intwana yakulokhuzwayo uthola ukuthi abona ndanga ne ifamily ndanga will always be family so mawuzonithuka ngokhuzwayo wasekhaya oliphalaphala okanye mawuzorenga ngaye like ngizova njani mina
for
zova bad nje yami
ube ndigrand
uyanibamba nje yami so like amanje lapha ekhasi nala tendency so kumnandi xa uqala nabantu abangakwaziyo then umuntu ubona wena akaboni okhuzwayo
lo edala imazi ukhule phambi kwakhe
uyanibamba nje yami then ukhuzwayo uza nayo etafuleni bayisenansi uHotman yami yona ingwenye yona izuyanga la bayikuse ukhuzwayo yona uyanga lapha kutheni ukhuzwayo enje kodwa wena Hotman unje ibe ngumuntu omcacisela bayikuse manje Hotman nami ikhethe la ndlela yona ingwenye nizo understand ukuthi hayi man yavustand yona ize kuwaza ngubani ukukhuzwayo
khona la ngqasi kanti amazi kwevu lo bishaza ngonke weekend bencaqile aqwela mina
kufana ne-improvement uthola ukuthi okay yeah sure yazi mfethu impilo yatshintsha ndanga ne yabona for me abantu abaninzi mina apha ekhasi ne like mina I won't talk about abanye abantu mina benikhula nabo ifamily zabo bezi 100 yabo mina nanga mina grow up noMagriza wami bindinguMagriza nguwaka nganisiwe so impilo yethu thina was bese downfall you understand nje yami like bese impilo behlupheka ndanga
nathi nihlala phezana
ya phezansi you understand abakhona nihlala khona yabo so behlupheka nje yami yabo mina I'm just trying to paint a picture at the same time ukubonisa ba impilo injani understand so mina bengihlala la ezansi noMagriza yabo so saphela sibanjwa mama kakhuzwayo yabo yabona ndanga abantu abaninzi abanye bayadla shandisi sabanjwe ifoster care azama ifoster care basi siyapeya
mama kakhuzwayo
but still wena nje yami impilo it was not given, you understand, but I don't, I'm not too deep izinto okanye zinga, you understand. So you could tell ukuthi bana le iyahlupheka. You could tell ukuthi because now my best friend those days was Ayanda phaka Butibana ibe ngu Thuso Stona umfi, you understand nje yabona lamajita lawana like those were my best friend and athuthi intanga zingqwayile yabo xa sithi umuntu uxwayile ndanga ngumuntu like ebe nawe ithola ukuthi bana like uyishade
kumnyama kutheni
like ndandile ukuthi bana bungabonakala ukuthi bana isituation yakho kokwini ba enjani bezucover thuba lecanda bezucover thuba lokuthi okay yasho kwijuwi yabo so bezinganxibi kodlula mna and I don't know ukuthi bana ngabazali babo but if ngabazali babo nabo ndanga okay yasho kanti bayibona okay ezizitshomi so we cannot outplay okanye outdress ufix yabo. So wena ndangamzama ukuthi mina nikhule kula situation ne but kwi growth yami abana mina ndanga ndiye eJanga ingathi isikhathi sami so eJanga because I was pushing because of I saw ukuthi bana mina ngenza utshintsho mina empilweni yami yabo
earlier before
no mina mandithi okanye like financial singekho financial stable but I forced ukuthi wala mandivaye yabo. So I spoke with them and say wala davaya, so they called the timer by long to man first time like khupkhuph kanje because banibona bani serious ba wala ndiyavaya yabo. The reason ayibangena lawo indanga ukuthi bana ndithi ndiyavaya it's because of ukuthi uThuso yangena Ayanda yangena yabo financial thina siko stable ba mangena but mina ngikhathalela ngalonto because mina ndiyazazi ukuthi bana once ngingangena yabo ndingakhula yabo. So andifuna uba ikwekwe ithola ukuthi bana ngondizawukhula ndiyikwekwe yabamba December ngenile amajite endikhule nawo kids fan benza lonto abangikhuphi ndangena ndanga mna don't lie to you ndithi ndikhwalaza mna ndanga mna nina ndikhwalaza kamani bafo bethu you understand okanye nini background zenu zi-grand 100 yabo but even though ngekho 100 but kodwa again ndithi ukubana ku-grand
so
mna ndanga mna bendikhwalaza ihlangu nangiba yabo ihlangu ngathi zecawe lingathi sitekile lapha ecaleni solo point kanje yafustana ndanga ndandikhwalaza la ndathi seba manivande eplasini iplasi ndanga mna ndangena ngumkhwalaza and lonto ukuthi ba yenza masengibana mawungena eplasini inhliziyo mna ndangena mna ndiceba oLand eplasini ngoJune ndanga kubanda kunje lawe yawo ndavaya nisakhumbula ukuthi agcobane lo oli ala wayigrand uGodman because nguye umjijana bambayo savaya sesipana wena mfowethu. So fast forward ne andifuni besiye
sitsala
fast forward ndijonga uba ndiyiphi ngoku
if uvumile ngawo ngela xesha
ndanizobapi
ndakuva
nambaba nje yami if zange ndiringe nenhliziyo yami ndithi wala ulapha ngoku ndanga mna I've been ndanga mna experience ezininzi mfowethu mna like mna mandithi wena ndanga sorry mandithi ndanga I'm rich mna because ndazi izinto ezingaziwa ngabantu abaninzi
ababe ngadoyibe kanjani ta
like mna was never a cheese boy ne but ndazi izinto ekumele ukuthi bazaziwa ngo cheese boy
kuyibona kuba befocus ekobomo obucheese
ndangabona ndewe bona babephethwe nana ngaphethwanga ne bona xa uphethwe ubona xa ungaphethwanga mina ndangaphethwanga mina ipush yabo ndaziphushele bona bebepushelwa. So abantu bebephushela
comfort zone
bebeka comfort zone bona ne so abantu bebephushela bayeke uphusha abaqhelanga uphusha mosibona baqalaphi bona ngokulanda ngiqala kuyo mina ndiphi mina nempilo
so
seniphushile nje yami
sebuqinisile kwa at an early age
uyanibamba nje yami. So you mina I usually say bana ndijonga mina ndijonge abantu endikhula nabo I'm not saying ukuthi abanyaza wena nje yami okanye ndithini you understand mina ndanga mina nhluphekile and ndayazi ukuthi bayinhlupheke njani yabo mina ndanga mina I've been through shit sorry ngelanguage but I would never ndithi bana wena ndangami ukuthi bana wena uphila mina I would always respect impilo iphilayo because impilo yakho leya like currently you are there mina I will respect you yabo lo ndawo hlelo kuyo because like ungaphuma ungangaphumi impilo yakho leya then nando focus ke impilo yami ukuthi bana manje niphila impilo enjani yanibamba njalo
and tabuko push nenye business ebidibona ya pause bana yeah phezulu nabo tafika siyazazi tafika wathi employer nabantu khotbathi unansike ezibuzisipana nawo waphelela bata ubonisa njani ba uyaphusha xa ufuna ta
I finance lawe endanga ne masinga yona yabuya wena ntangami and ibuya ngebhange enzima ibuya ngento enzima ngifuna ukuqhatha madoko yabona mawusupha umvile tagaza xa iringa yabana ubonile ukuthi bana uflop p that mina ntanga nami ndiflopile but anflopanga mna like
fundi
at the same time if nendolusile you understand so bengazibanazo isikhathi lentwana uyandisa
okay
understand so benzoba nalo njani ixesha yabo but okay it's fine asco up yabona ndanga lawe leyana emfethu yabona xa ncokola nabantu ne
business letter
yabona lawe leyana ndathi ngihleli nje ncokola ke wena ntangami nomnye umuntu yabo ngabe silamle kusekasini nami kuphusha kweyenje nabo and nje iphusha kanje uyayibetha ngedetails zakhe but mina ndayithatha wena mfowethu ne yabona into mina ndingwalapha ensamsiba ndingwalapha
ikisingiyethu
so mina ndayithatha wena ntangami mina ndayizisapha kumele ukushini ukuthi bana ngizayiphusha njani apha lokushini khumbule into ngapha ukuthi class abantu basipani baqhumeke eplasini abantu baqhumeke egrant so anobiza la mali ibizwa phi kula side kusho ukuthi kufanele usebenzise common sense ufuna ukutya kufanele utyisile aba bantu uthi babe nibaqasha ke wena mfowethu mina ntanga bengaqasha abantu ukuthi bayi consistent ukuthi bawuyazazi bawusipana nami mina ntanga bendithanda kwamntu because bebaninzi amanje ndiyafuna abe South Africa yamani kosibahambe lawe yabo
usibanisana nawe
yanibamba mfowethu so ibe ndimotsho yakho kwenza la bafethu mina ndiphusha kanje yabo so bebe sitya nami ndisitya so umuntu ebi winning situation
at least we employ nabantu because nangoke bayakubuza pha phezulu itama especially pha etop
ya abantu abaninzi bayandibuza mfowethu even namanje namhlanje bendibuza umuntu omadala laba exciting we young no man kambuyayo ngoba bafowethu ngizobuya into enzima kanye sisazi bonke ntencesho ngasiboleka nemoto fonini same ngemoto nabo siphushe imoto yama ne-trailer sazi fonini ideas ezininzi
zizoninzi enenazo zizothi zi-encourage nabanye because bayakuseya kwazi uphusha just yena ufuna ucinga kwi-comfort zone yoba usediki
no wena ntangami yazi isimoko sevani I think uHotman call it yakulogaza bathi usipho Sipho Sipho na sake sabana enye conversation ngenye mina apha yabo ngathi yabona thina sibulawa ngezindaba ezi because thina siphakathi kwendaba
asiboni ngaphandle
asiboni like kuyibona ukuthi indaba enjani indaba yasokuthi aziphi sifair ngimsekelo nto ngipleko yaziyo kuyibona iKapa ba indaba zakhona ziphi sifair yabo so thina sibulawa ile black because ndayakanzwa phela ibisi ndemangcwabeni onzo mangcwabeni ndavande town
usibona nje izindawo zilapha kufutshane kuthi
yanibam so vele thina sivele sithethe ingqondo yethu si isolated yabo so yiyo into ebulala kakhulu amalita lapha ekhasi nalayo ba ekusanifuna unyisa kule weekend yabo yimpilo siyiphila lapha ekhasi yabo so wena ntangami kamandi ninabafowethu wana nani sebancane yabo anditsho ukuthi ndimdala mfowethu mina yabo but
nakufunda
wena mfowethu mawuzazi ukuthi ufunani like ntanga like nibhizile weniphushayo ngoba obviously nifuna igrowth eqhubeleni yabo at the same time nifuna ukuthi okay asho nani libonakale uyavostana just like omakG and whatsoever yanibamba amabhuda so ukuze nifike kula level funeke nenze ntoni mina anifuni ingqama fobethu yabo mina ulolese umuntu ofunayo uphusha hamba step by step and wenze into yakusebenzela ungenzi into ezobangela ba mayikufake under pressure because ungayincokola into ngoku yabo at the same time thola ukuthi bana okay nje uncokola lewe ngaluline thina sikujonge ngalonto mosibaye ubuthe uzophusha mosiwe yabo ukuzifaka under pressure wena so bawufuna usithengisela something sithengisela into lapha enibonayo ukuthi nama yenze Richard wini but wena ingqondweni yazazi bafuna into engapha ya understand banza ukuthi
yeta ndibe ndinipentela le Yakuva bhuti.
yanibamba mfowethu
Ungathethi yonke.
Ungathethi yonke into.
Xa ngingafikelelanga kuyo ndivele ezintweni ezingifile. Nomlo uyathetha.
and wena nangam like xa uzibona ukuthi bana xa soyithethile kuthi thina sikujonga laba ubuthe uzawufika
So ngoku kwenzeka.
i-depression ivela apho mfowethu kulaa peer pressure because nguwe ozifakela laa pressure then kuze thina ke ngosokufakela laa peer pressure ukuthi ola buthe wena yabo so uma uzazi ungumntu ndangaba ufuna ukhula at the same time ufuna something empilweni phushela lo way uvala umlomo and abantu abancokolelayo bengabantu aba-relevant
Abazondakha not abantu abazongichitha umuntu uzozomhlawumbi leyo yesesayidini akuyiva uba hayi le
mfowethu ungancokola nami mna ucabanga ukuthi bandi-out egrand ungixela ukuthi bana in 4 years okanye in 2 years okanye next month khona into ezakwenzeka empilweni yakho angayabona mani kwenzela umzekelo ecawe ne cawe church uyazi ecaweni xa usecaweni
Kazulu sesephethu yata.
yabona ecaweni xa uthandazayo wena unguwe nje yami uyazi ubana ukhona into omameleyo uzothatha lo mthandazo wakho ayowusebenza lo mthandazo wakho kuxhomekeke ukuthi bana ifaith yakho wena ingakanani amandla wakho wena angakanani
Nezinto ezithethayo kubani.
ufana noxa uncokola nami uncokola nami ne-assurity engakanani
Yobandi.
uyayenza
Nawe nyanyana.
yanibamba mfowethu
Mndakuva ta.
yuziwe engalolani impilo engalolani like you know ukuthi bana nawo sure ukuthi bana iphusha le way yabo so mawuzazi ba usure ba iphusha le shandisi wena mfowethu like mna ungayincokola nabantu aba relevant still not wonke umuntu ndanga ayomali mfethu ngithanda umuntu wonke bakhona abantu ndanga emva kwakho uthola ukuthi bana abakuva awuzibuza ukuthi kutheni lo mshintsha ngandandi ireason akhona ayivakali mfowethu yabo nina mos nine beef ngoni nizintwana kanje uthola ukuthi bana une beef unnecessary
Ayiva. Ngicambi yayo.
so xa nokubuza mina ukuthi kuseqwela like wayezoba ne-beef no fix fix wenza into uzibani kuzibani fethu like siphila impilo encane impilo yethu esiyiphilayo ngushort mfowethu yabo ishort impilo esiyiphilayo so kufuneka uzazi uba uphila nobani wena qala uzazi uba ngubani okwakhayo wena yabo fostana mfowethu
Yapheka.
so impilo engalolayo
Because like ngoku and mo special thina mathi sibancane but enathi sifundile sibonile kakhulu and sabona uba okay which is which mhlawumbe kwangoku awunoyibona yonke into ba okay lo mhlawumbe yakhe ko grand manje isikhathi siyasifaya uyizifunde zoyiba enye ngibe ngathi ngumuntu nalapho but on the later note man Vanika uthanda kunika iqonga la question lakho ufuna uyibuza
libele mo libele sencinga abroad about the conversation
conversation
yeah we interested
it's cooking
yeah
uthe balisa na
libele mlambo
but yeah
oh nathi akhe nathi buya ne
ayapheka ta
hapheka bile we bala beninga understand imkhakhala ba la we kanti nekipala kuze liteli background neke bekhona team edlala kweregime
you know
edlala kweregime
yeah great
ya
Hollywood yeah Hollywood currently
Hollywood na bengayazi ayibayi kanje
you know why I'm saying like that when I'm for it ne andithi ukuthi bana precisely ukuthi bana vele funeka ukuthi like kube khona i-team the reason I'm saying bana funeka kube khona i-team yabona Cape Island inomasipala by 5 ne Cape Island i-Brede Valley Overberg Witzenberg be ndoni phanga nena Dragonstein 5 masipala i-team eziyakha playoffs every year zi5 from each masipala ne so Cape Island i-motherboard ukhona Cape Island apha not bake kukhona so Cape Island motherboard before ufike kwi-provincial yabo so uCape Island let's say kunyuka i-team yase Tidorens iya iyodlala kuCape Island because Cape Island Regional League ne iyodlala kuHollywood ne asinabala mos team ibali lethu ngele rugby lesikiniswa ngubani uLFA Local Football Association ne so now iyodlala phi ke-Regional League ibali rugby badlala ke-Regional League sinebala thina yabo futhi wanye yaphuma ibudget wanye zange iphuma ibudget no andifollow bayaziwa ngabo abantu baphaka namfowethu you understand namfowethu so I'm talking about ukubana uyafika ku-Cape Island team yase Tidorens engenabala because by having ibala rugby awunabala and bamamfowethu so the thing is ke ngoku wena mfowethu i-home games zakho wena uyakuforce uLFA uBredeville LFA ba home games zakho zodlala leWorcester unalungelo uyiteam uthi no ndinalo ibala lami mosimna ngeli bendlala kulo intoni uLFA wena into enzakalayo ngoku uyiteam yase Tidorens ethengisa bani umasipala wase Tidorens umasipala kuthiwa ba iBredeville wase Tidorens iWorcester Dose River Eslen Park and baba mfowethu uyiteam ethengisa lamasipala uyithengisa phe la team namfowethu la team uyithengisa kuCape Island so masiphume kancane kwinto edibene nephola ne siye kwinto edibene nepolitiki imali kamasipala kwaBredeville iphuma phi kwi-region ungayina kwephi na meeting baqala kuba i-region Cape Island i-region yethu ndifundisa abafana bendingayani naloo nto leyo yabo so thina umasipala uBredeville i-region yethu ngulawa eza nguCape Island nguye mozokhupha imali yena imali ifumana kubani ku-province yambamba province uthini uyaspreada kuma-Cape Island kwezilawezi so Cape Island uspreada kubani kumasipala abasezantsi kwakhe Drakenstein Bredeville Overberg Witzenberg this Cape Island imali you understand so wena ngoku uyaforsa uyiteam yaseTidorens umasipala ubuya uyapi ke region ibuyiza kumasipala yaseTidorens ukuba wayikhuphile ibudget ebala ziyavela izinto ba ebafudoda sathi yenzani ibala kukhona iteam edlala kuphi ngoku kwi-region
so that's how it connects with the politics because izo connecta kanjani politics la
kalo iya connect because kwenza la like imali isuka la yabo imali isuka la iyepi komasipala ngiyake like imali kamasipala eBredeville isuka ke-region and baba mfowethu so mawungenabala uforce uthi kuse mina ndidlala game zami eWorcester because mina ngwapi kwaseTidorens ene home games zami kuLFA bendidlala phi eTidorens so mhlawumbe nisenikiphi kwibala lerugby abantu abafumana ipressure ngu-LFA waphi walapha eWorcester le team ifuna udlala home games eTidorens so ingxoxo yabo noCape Island ngoku zila bakhupha ipali eza rugby benze rugby soccer okanye bazokokha ibala ngenxa yeteam e1 ephi ekwi-region
because futhi ingenzeka lobe nekasi lingaya because ngoku ezi game xa zonke into zozodlala away kuboosteka la makasi kakhulu kuqaphela nemzekelo ngekasi izwelethe kuyagcwala kwela mali
ikhefisa team like okay every time ulikhupha into mali transport mali ukhupha imali transport
phuma kwakulo le mali
phuma kwakuthi la
ya mfethu like umzekelo ndanga lokhu udlala kuLFA ne ukhumbula ukuthi bana uchoice yakho mawudlala ibhola ne uchoice yakho ugqibeleni you understand that uchoice yakho mfowethu yabo so njenge choice yakho like wenza wenza team unenjongo mos you wanna go somewhere yeka amakhona lapha ekhaya uyeka abantu ba own teams lapha lokushina bana ayikakubi bafowethu ayikakubi nje abakuthi ekhaya badlala nje umuntu alibali ukuthi bani ukhupha imali ngeseason but abantu bayaspend imali pha kuma 10k okanye 16k plus kwi-season for only transport and bam so most spend imali engaka yamfethu ungena vision wayizoba ne-team and bam like umzekelo like look now yabo isigela mina sinibambile ne for ukuthi bana mandizo revive isport ne yabona to revive isport kufuneka equipment isigela sina equipment nje yami ne libiwe nini madoda Yabo?
Imali khona
No, yeke into yemali yescale. No, masiyeke imali yescale.
singathenga equipment by scale.
Yeke imali.
Uke wayepresident so uyazazi lezo.
No, just like mna ndincokola ngento edibene nemali andiyazi imali. Ngola nge-equipment lengekhoyo.
Lengekhoyo.
I-equipment escale ayikho.
But ibala likhona lo.
And i-equipment escale ngimele ukuthi bana ishoti babe isiskele bese standard. Like isikele besijongiwe. Babe khona umuntu ojonge izwi.
Compared to yasephala.
You understand mfowethu. So nizama ukuthi wena mfowethu akho equipment, yabo? So mina mde kukhona umtsepe la wena mfowethu. Yabona umtsepe it's one of the things, it's one of the competitions ezingabanga isikele siphinde besivuke. Yabo? Yazi kanjani? Umtsepe ndithi like ku compete isikele la. Yabona mina my main thing nangoku is to create a team.
Yaphakathi escale.
Kamutsepe. You know when I'm saying bani mntanga mnami beast mina mfethu mina ngifuna bendi. Mntanga mna ndimnandi mfethu.
Ask some omata.
Hamna nje ndimnandi mina kakhulu mfethu. Yabo? So ndiyayazi ukuthi bana le team enifunayo izawuphuma.
Ufuna ibe yi.
And i-team yami I know consist as stars. Ngizakwenzela umzekelo. Ngibona uSvich.
Umbusifitha.
Nabe qhuba you save istroll phaka kwestratweni.
Mavich.
Yabona ntwana player leya. The reason Mavich angadlali because akhona enzakala lapha lokishini. I told him umna ngonifera isikela ufuna kubuyela ebholini. The reason ndimbuyise ebholini ndifuna umnika ithemba lokuntanga nawe mfethu uyipattern Basil. Noba ntwana zingayibukela lento endithethayo. uSvich yena usethimini yami izithanda zingathandi. Yabona ntwana njami yabona makuthetha ukuthi bana unekho. Nantwana ungabuild ikho ngayo. Now, la invite isikela kubedlala lento yeclasses. Le tournament classes la. Final match ay grade 11 Ovich bedlala no Lucha Olukho. Yabona ntwana la video sekhona abakume efonini. La ntwana i1. La ntwana ijima oqala. La ntwana nje yami yenza lento yenzayo. Noma mfowethu akhonde yenzayo. La team yolukho. Uyajima uLukho. Uyajima uLucha, uyajima uLloyd, uyajima uMalentwana edlala Juventus. Libe igama layo. But leqwa la ntwana i1.
Siyahefuzela.
So you need to check. Yabona xa ungumntana ndibhizi mina mfethu ngacreate umuntu obonakalayo ukuthi nina nimbone ukuthi ayo player le because mina nazi ozibani. Mina ndangamna ngalantwana nzo zisidiamond mfethu engabonwa ngumuntu apha lokishini. And bam
Abayibonayo ekhaya bayidelelayo kube engalandlela uyibeka ngayo tawuba nxa siyamazi.
So kwenzakala mfethu mina I'm not saying ukuthi bana ndizawuzama wena umutsepe ne, but mina uSta ndiyadlula mina kulo unyaka. uSta mina noba ngingadlala uSta edlala isigilasi uSta ndiyadlula mina uSta mina kulo nyaka. And mama mfethu bethanda bengathandi kwabona. So mawujonga
Unayo team evision.
ana team mfethu.
Unevision.
Yabona nje yami ngwana 19 khona na 19 mosesigela bekhona na 17. Mna ndanga ngadlala ngo-under 17 instead of under 19 kumutsepe. And ndenza miracles futhi ngo-under 17.
Beast.
But yes, eta those teams izisikela zase-Worcester zayibethe fraud.
No like sayibona ngoba.
Women be aware zayibethe.
No nje yami ngidlala ibhola mina ndayazi into edibene fraud.
Ayazi
Umutsepe udlala nge-ID mfethu.
Mejika phambili.
And once ungabi na-ID ungabi nalindela awudlali. And andifuni udlala under protest awudlali. Andifuni protest awudlali. And no mfowethu. So izinto ezinje wena mfowethu. So kufanele kube mina ndanga ne-timing and futhi ngifundile. Yabo? Ngento edibene nebhola. Not ngento edibene nezimalo. Into edibene nebhola ndanga ndimnandi kakhulu. Yabo? So for me mina I know ukuthi bana ndingabuya nayo lewe. Yabo? But kuyaxhomekeka ukuthi bana ndiphethe ndoni esandleni.
Apha ndisipana nabo bayasipana nawe na.
Yeke umiss endwana.
Team yakho nawe.
Yeah.
Bayo nisipana nawe na. Iyakhona sibona.
Yabo?
Wena taya kwazi uma nevision. Wathi fike basojula apha ya. But nani bathembile manta. Kube nguwe butera abazokunika lamandla unantsikayo ofunayo. At least manika. Yaqhubela inizwe zomutsepe likwepakuni.
Yeah, man. Izani indlela unyaka okugqibela.
Anaqhubela ngompunyaka.
Ama zidlale last day. But zingibambe ngomgqibelo zabe zama ngomgqibelo nama nazo ngomgqibelo. Again kunalo game ukuthi ayiwina lo game leyo. Qaleni ukuthi bana besingajimi zonke indwana yabo. At the same time babe khona amagama. Ibhola ndanga idlalwa amagama these days.
These days, izinto zachiya kusafuneki.
Akudlalwa amagama. So nani namagama lamini. Yabo ukuthi bana kusewufix ukhona umnandi. Yabo.
Yeah, bani khona mnana asafuneki.
Enzipikene naloko endwane. So mayizoba ndimna vele kamandi ndizibize zonke ngandwana. Under 17 nami ngicela baye kusentwana mahambe ukwenza ID. Kondwana ngazodlala lapha i-team yami. Wanze ukubona ba uyafita ngadlala.
Ndingawo.
Andingo ukuthi bana ndanga ukuthi bana umanir uva uzibani umnanda ndiya ukuthi banga lento ndiyibona ba le izasebenzela le one yabo yuyinje ya
nami nabene questions go that is ibona ithani ibhola yonke lonto enathi was coach eyazi over that is so like ngiyacinga why ungavusi like yakho indona kustopa from uvusi yakho
I-team.
yeah
yabona nje yami mina ngifumana kakhulu lo mbuzo lo yawo ngifumana kakhulu lo mbuzo lo mfowethu ne into enzakalayo umntakwethu ne ukwenza i-team oqala udingeka imali nekube financial stable yabona nje be financial stable zoba grand yekela ikit yekela ibhola yabona abantu be financially stable benemali because mina bamna ngathanda ukuthi i-team wena ntangami mina ntangami i-team ngingenza ngevision plus ne-mission in 5 years time okanye in 3 years time ndisibona ndlala kwi-division ethile yabo and at the same time phinde ndibuye nezibheshulu ngisesemnandi ngisadlala yabo so andifuna uxakekisa abantwana andifuna unika amajidi hope ube ndiyazi ukuthi bana nisesebhizi yabo njengomzekelo last year I was still playing region yabo so I don't want to create a team ndibe ndiyazi ukuthi bana ndizobana sikhathi salo team leyo now rather sijimeni sonke bendimi ke ojimisayo that we ngagrand not sebana mna ndi only team now angenibe nazo isikhathi
Nje ngegama wabikho part of bona bazodingeka bana mbudera naye beke atitweze nanzika ze team so ngasipanisana naye
ubalo
G bikiri khotman Ubudera ko rikite ko
but kuyafana mfowethu
kuba tafika
kuyafana ukuthi bana ucreator wenza i-team ne and you know i-team zalapha lokushini azinayo le mentality nayo bra most yazo
i-players okanye
i-team team yabona i-mentality nayo mna bra rich kakhulu yabo like umzekelo khona uSuper League ngapha kude lokushini uSuper League odlalwa i-team zalapha eDurban dlala i-team yaseTos River yasekusadlala ne-team yabona once ube ne-team ezi7 kwi-league ngaseDurban traveling bancane i-team zalapha zikwazi ubhoostana bra i-team zalapha ziyabulalana yabo ngeyinto ebulaleka ibhola lapha lokushini kakhulu bayayithanda i-rivalry unnecessary
ufuna ukhompyutha
unnecessary nje unnecessary awunothi ungacompete for a league ne the computer for a league wena uzonibamba ngedraw why unganiki points
okay
yanibamba mfowethu ikuzoba khona igrowth baya wena xa nje uzicelana ukuthi bana uzoyibamba ngedraw le 1
more
you understand so akho growth wena mfowethu yabo kwezinye indawo ikhona igrowth wena mfowethu yabona pramna when I played eMpumalanga there was this team that's computer nayo abathi mahamba yabo chairman yami wayengayifuni la team elidabi mfowethu dabi yabona lezi zimnandi kakhulu leza bra even akiNetbank sadrosha nezi yakho yazibona ezi bra uchairman no chairman wethu babengafunani like not eba like abafunani
physical
like on the field of play kadlani mahamba nesibethile mahamba kadlana afuneka isibethile imnandi la rivalry mfowethu because sonke siya compete at that time
niyaniphusha kwanini bama nibe
yeah mama uphushela something so wena mfowethu abekazi like kuvele kuphushwe nje ba ndifuna uvalela umjida yawo
kodwa ukhompyutha
awucompete ndibe ndicomputer mna and vele yabona yazi ibhola isisibhanqa kanjani ungathi wena ndicomputer mna wena ubungacompete and wena umnandi kunami kodwa mina ndiyacompete wena ucompete ngokwena umnandi kunami and xa ndidlala nawe obvious uzandibamba uyayazi wena loo nto leyo yabo uyayazi wena loo nto leyo
ndafuna uyizabe nawe sibokho besitshilo ndazi ngesiphi isikhathi mhla wagrand butera usomelwe itimu yakho mhlawumbi la ndlela i-omu ngayo kuspirit aphelela from pha zange siphinde sivuseleleke itimu ezikanje bekasi so noma mhlawumbi wonke umuntu ebekule nto sikuyo lo mzuzu nothi ngeli xesha ngoku utayipenta ngaye zisuba kunjani ngoku
yabona mfethu yabona yekuba ezinye izinto andincokola ngazo mna ndidiscover amajita amaninzi and futhi ndizame amajita amaninzi because na-outside khona intwana bathi ngusisa Verratti bekhona intwana bathi ngufino bekhona uSibu ma7 yalama nje nafaka ku-ABC wena mfowethu uMthebe yabo vela na resource isithathe kuba naba khona into yamakhona nishiya i-footprint yabo so manje i-footprint akwazi uncokolela omnye umjita ozenva kwami but the thing is ukuthi bana mawungazazi ukuthi bawufunani uzolahleka empilweni football wise ibhola kulahla ntoni nona mfowethu kulahla ukuthi bana ungazazi ukuthi bawufunani uma7 namthatha namse-Free State uyakena mawusosuka esuthwini mawusosuka entabeni ebantwini fitness wise akho mnandi uma7 namthatha ngoJanuwari esuka entabeni namse-Free State yabo Caledon nabo you know uma7 wayezogxothwa la because why unfit but just because bana nishiye i-footprint akho easy kuba mawumqothi because like there's no way lo mjita lona simazi asisele into engekhoyo yasayina latsotsi la bamnika la chance bamanga gain fitness why gain fitness but you know what prize andoni opaiza ngoqhathana yabona amazwi aqhathana mfethu clubhouse so ebe clubhouse namasima bra umna kwazi ukuqhatha ubona ukuthi ba le 1 iyaqhatha le 1 just because wena ungekho aware uzawuqhatheka yabo waphele vaya nenyitsotsi koma7 waphele vaya siya eLimpopo story side man last season imagesi Chaguma fumana promotion ya PSL iChaguma yafuna mo players ka MTC kulanyaka wavaya usibona yaba kwenzeka ntoni mina zange futhi ndingene because mina sami span ndithunile ndikufunela i-team KPC nguwe umuntu ozosiflopela sisa same thing noFino nabathatha bona ke banyamezela kamanje daqhayi leni ukuthi bana umuntu leqimani umuntu leqa imali ukuthi bana ufike behola imali ethile utafiki ngobe ngcola la bese bahola imali ethile wami ndizohola imali ethile akhumbule ba umuntu akana neprofile ebholeni ndangu ngene neprofile save mfethu ibhola then mathi ujonga profile yakho ndangu so LFA wena uzodemand imali ethile LFA how many teams edlala ku LFA more than 1000 because team edlala ku ABC is 300 and something if not 400 because nyukile ngiteam LFA bangapo LFA mfethu then when iyafika uzodimanda imali biholwa ngumuntu ebene profile emnandi yabo so ngoba khona
ibhola bengekho mde kangaka ibhola yena kufa kancane ndibane picture
ayingwedwa mfowethu baninzi abantu abangayaziyo le way ebholeni ndangu sebenza iprofile noma ungamnandi kangakanani na iprofile detail because because nje I'm like yabona iprofile ngamnandi ne ukuthi wenza neprofile kuyanegotiate for imali so there's no way ukuthi uba wena usuka ku ABC because bawuthi xa besenza clearance yakho uma isafi yakhavu so ku LFA wena ungaxoka la uthi so ku ABC it's fine bekhona negotiate ufake izakho i-IT zakho nendoni xa uregisterishwa la ukhatywa ngumayisafa wase-Western Cape ba lo muntu udlala ku LFA lo babuya baza kuwe ke ngoku xa bebuya beza kuwe bayakwazi ukukhiqa ba wena uxokile
character ke ngokusepaint ngendlela snacks kwasaqala sikabiphi
yanibama nje so that's why wena kufuneka wena mfethu ufuneka uzazi ba uphi
nandoni
noba ungamnandi kangakanani ebholweni ndanga there more than million abantwana abadlala ibhola kanye manje badlala ibhola
into yonke
uzuyazi ukuthi bana bantu udlale ku ABC like so ubusekile Brian yabo biyinhlanhla yakho
ikhupho labantu
Sahara man kweza njani umjita was a promising player because
Hey, that question might go to him, but for me, uLasco usemnandi because benjana nayo uLasco last season United. Bedlala sonke. No, age nje yami doesn't count these days. Yeah, London le. There's a player edlala ku Obit. Akhona na 42 zoba na 43 this year. Na lo player le. Na la khudman. Zoba na 43. 43. Khudman akhona. Uyodlala ku PSL kule season. Nizayibona ku PSL kule season. 43 years. So age doesn't count these days. Yabo? If uyazazi ba ufuna ntoni, maintain wena. 43 years at PSL, akhona. Age might count, age account. Kumeya kuwe ba wena ufuna ntoni.
But I have to njengoba besenjilo khona manje amanje lisile too much kana mabhidela i2 khoyiba phano eyethu afune yewe bengayiqondi ba ehale ivaya zona so nje grand bhidela thoma siva hale ta khawuthethe nale wawo hleli pha ubukeleyo ta ujongele ku ta fix nje words of encouragement all of the data sizofana ngendlela grand because yeah from siqalile okubo ba motivate andikwanto usenango azita motivate
Nanta ngam 1990 mniwane emajidini even nasabantwaneni BU yabo angilami uyawo ukuthi bana BU soldier BU banguwe siba ngomnye umuntu mfowethu yabo hence abaseke bana zaza apha khona usuka khona uzaza apha khona vele uyakhona ayikho enye empilweni ntangam
dabulela khona
cheers
njalo butera mana ngabanye bakhilisa ngalendlela lezi ideas obuzimplementa butera ngasike uhlale phezulu kwazo ungatyavi tazo because asazi mhlawumbe lo ikhukhayo pha ukhulisa ifuture ba bantu ngokubhola konsuku akhulisa ba
azininzi
future Ronaldo
that is we yabona on that yabo about talent because there's too much talent wena mfowethu like I can count yabona Worcester basic team balapha eJordan badlala i-team zase Worcester besi 11 or 12 sidlala ku different teams omdlala ku Worcester Spurs omdlala ku Worcester City omdlala ku Worcester United like spread that away
because no
do you know what makes that ngapha ku Tekasi it's because bana co team yabo e compete kula weza ku region because a co team is serious efana team zase Worcester yabona nje yami ngokubona kwazo indwana yabona ibhola ne yabo i-team ne-team ntanga umzi nomzi unamaphela wabo emzini wakho ukhona amaphela wakho emzini wami akhona amaphela wami but just because bana wena uyibonela ungaphandle idladla yami yodlela ta fix isikoni
uyipendeza iview
yanibamba nje yami so mawuzongena la phakathi kulaba khona ubona khona amasimi ukuthi yes sis ingxaki bendizibaleka ku-Juventus zikhona apha kulomzi and kulomzi ke ngikawusena amandla because ulindwendwe phaya ulindwendwe Worcester
apha at least ubunayo ivoice
kokwenu apha
ngokupha kwazi uthi
and baba mfowethu so hence I was talking about le ntwana le uLukho this other day nithi yabona uLukho ne mnanga ntwana kakhulu but bayengasusa la mentality ukuthi bana ndidlala eWorcester yabona mfowethu mina ngidlala ku-ABC but ndathi kubuya kwamapha kumikasi mina just beya kule level lapha eKasi because ndiphi mina ngoku anokubamba ngento ukuthi manje kusizanga nje wadlala ABC man wena man wena impendulo yakho wena uphi ngotafix sidlala soyi2 embamba so funeka uzithathe uzibeke kule level yena uzicela ukuthi bana yabona nje ndilapha nje ndizophusha ngohlobo endiphusha ngalo and uhloniphe wena mfowethu you understand kasi mfethu ikhona talent khona uthi yami noba ngikhona talent was this other time phone amnanzi pha kuqwela thatha intwana like so whip like whip kodwa sihamba za tournament eTos River
I
remember wawukhona shali khona intwana encane whip la but nabuya nayo nansi cup phakum nansi medal phakum
ajimwanga needs
anjimanga nezantwana but just because bandi understand ibhola and noma nje yabona xa understand ibhola understand abantwana because intwana mosiyazibukelaitsephi bana intwana ngosizitshaya bra khona intwana kazina khona intwana ka balo my sister lo walapha
ikatazini ndiyibona right
khona my sister lo etamunda lentwana katamunda kukhona lentwana utha impra simnandi lantwana pha lantwana kakosi kathi futhi kubana yabona once thina singaba ne facilities ne yabona nje mna my wish is to have a team but financial andikomnandi yabona mna once ngingaba ne team mina ngathatha indwane ezincane yabona Shelini yazibona indwane ezincane ezizayo yabo usenze senzeke emdala ukusenza senza I think usenza 16 or 17 but usenza ngakhipha ke team because ingqondo yakhe nje yami iphaya yabo yabona ngathi ingqondo yakhe iphaya uzoba nazo mistake but ingqondo yakhe yena seyida yabo so italent sinaphe ka bangaba khona umuntu neto financially stable asondele ebray
Putera yakudagi khona manje yakudagi Putera hayi kome njalo khona manje ngajawe Putera otherwise nakune manje ukuputera sine motivateile from eqala lapha until egqibeleni bawumvanga andiyazi yabo le episode abazayi repeat I'm sure ngaleyo Putera but otherwise please do like comment share subscribe hit the bell button so aqhoka na-upload episode ufumana notification but you know that fixed namhlanje it was giving the penechas Zeski we out but we out awuringile Putera uringile taya
awuyeta man